You cannot control from Port Harcourt, living in government house, to decide what happens in the most interior place in Kola. You might have a local government chairman, you might have a councillor, but who is the closest? Who controls the sub-leaders of the families that make up the compound? From the compounds that make up the community that make up the big kingdom. It is you and everyone here are the people who control these people. So if we have to pray for peace, if we have to yield for development, who are the people that I should be dealing with? Who should be the people I should always listen to? It is you people. You know the problem. You understand the needs of the people. You are the leaders. You're not political leaders. You are ancestral leaders. Politics will come, politics will go. Some of you have been there. You have a series of local government chairmen that have come and gone. You are still there. It means that you, let me use the word, you are the ancestors. So, my meeting with you this afternoon is to tell you that we are back. It's not me, all of us. Government have started again. Our project, if you are aware, most of the project sites have all reopened. The ring road have started. The hospitals are mobilized back to site. The roads in most places are all of them, as of today, we've had meetings with all the contractors, they've all moved back to site. On also the issues of other development, I believe that most of them that were truncated, we will revisit them. Because at the end of the day, it has to do with the people. And we must make sure that the interests of our people are supreme in whatever we're doing. I've taken note of the complaint of my brother, the youngest king. I'll find out what the situation is, and whatever it is that is done wrongly will be corrected. The Ezoba made a very good, gave an advice. We must ensure that government returns to its full capacity. And I can assure you that if you start observing from today, every sector of the system has been activated. But the most important is we are appealing that we need more peace. And who are the people that will institute this peace? It is the traditional rulers. We know we might have some issues with the political class, but it becomes complicated when the traditional institutions are at loggerhead. So I want to appeal to you, please. You want us to succeed, ensure that you maintain peace in your communities. Ensure that you support the government programs. On my own part, I will give you the respect that you deserve. You can understand that if you have to live long in this on earth, it is not only your father and mother that the Bible says you should respect. You have to make sure that you respect the elders. And when you respect the elders, your days belong. So I will give you people, as the ancestors, they require respect. So that I can also live like ancestor. There is something we were working on before the emergency rule came in. I have to make that, will I say, to pledge again, to assure you that you will get that thing before the end of November. As a matter of fact, we brought in those items. It was displayed here for us to conclude. But when the emergency rule came, because we've not concluded, some of the vehicles were removed. Some of them that we couldn't take away from here were even impounded by the emergency government. So we've started the process. So you will get your 4 legs according to your class by the greater grace of God. So let me also request from the chairman. Chairman, it is a very difficult period that you're chairing this council. Please ensure that you accommodate everyone. Ensure you accommodate everyone. Please forget about whatever it is when it comes to the issue of the council. Try to be apolitical. Whoever has his political affiliation, don't worry about it. They just follow the most important thing, the interest and the purpose of the council. You have my total support on that. You also made a request for the quarterly council meeting. And I said, it will be act of disrespect to just come and I'm meeting you in the council, your normal meeting. That I want to discuss with you people feel me before that meeting. Because if you're feeling me in that meeting, it won't gel well. So I believe that now that we've had this interface, when we're meeting in the council meeting, your quarterly meeting, I won't look new again. At least I'm not looking old. So on behalf of the government, I want to thank everyone for finding time to be here to say, because it's just you're here for me to tell you thank you. No other reason. For anybody who must have suffered whatever in the course of this crisis, please, I apologize on behalf of the government. Somebody has to suffer for something. But please just take it that it is a sacrifice that you made for our dear state. The state will not forget you. History will not forget you. Let me finally thank the former chairman for finding time to be here. I would have said something, but we've not gotten the official time to announce to say it. So at the right time, I will notify you on something. And for that reason, too, a particular protocol that I would have observed, but I also have to downplay on it for now. But in all, kings don't die, they transit. So when I finish this work, in fact, I'm thinking whether I will look for a title too, so that I will be like you people. I want to be an ancestor now. So let me wish everyone well and assure you that we'll continue to do what we have promised you that we'll do to uplift River State, to make sure that we are not left behind. In the Committee of States, that River State is counted among the organized, the developed, and above all, a peace-loving States. A big thank you. Thank you to this institution, custodians of culture, the closest people to the grassroots, the commanders who control our communities. It's the truth. Thank you for your time, and I wish you journey mercy to your respective homes. Thank you, and may God bless you all.